walk of life. Yeah, you do the walk of life. Time